It's already recording. I go save the duck. Just record me.
I'll record you save the duck.
I go save the duck. It's recording already.
Okay, save the duck.
I get creative when I eat corn. I'll take that first bite, because then I'll eat every row. Every
Dude.
single fucking
Dude.
Joaquin!
He's trying to get that duck. He's trying to get that
That
little one.
motherfucker came across the
one at the
Rio
back.
Grande, sneaking into the United States and shit. I think he can handle Sunset Park.
He's in the Rio Grande right now. That duck is faster than you,
Big guy, man,
dude.
he's bigger than me. He's probably way 240 anyways.
No, he ain't.
Oh yeah.
No,
he's
he's
probably like 5'10", about 240.
Joaquin? No. It's slippy.
Crawl.
It's fucking
Oh.
slippy.
No knees. Just scrape up your knees crawling in there. Trust me, I go up the wall. I told you. I go up the wall. I go like this and hook my feet into those blocks. I throw myself up on the beach. Come back over, splash off, I'm done. Alright, you want to show... Want somebody to show you how to swim?
I thought you were from Hawaii.
The fishing line is all around his body.
Oh, you trying to save the bird?
I was trying to save the bird.
Yeah, what do you think he was doing? Racing him? That was rad.
I just was trying to save the bird, you know.
Good job. At least you're not cold anymore.
I saw the fish line is around his legs and
There you go.
chicken wings, any kind.
Chicken wing. You were trying to eat that bird.